Namaste viewers, I am Disha, reporting for Educational News. In Education News today, we highlight the significant impact of Professor Surendra Kokane's YouTube channel on students across India and abroad. Professor Kokane's channel, formerly known as Chemistry with SK, has gained immense popularity among students for its comprehensive guidance on the engineering chemistry syllabus and the engineering admission process in Maharashtra. Professor Kokane's dedication to education and his unique teaching methods have made his channel a go-to resource for many aspiring engineers. His detailed lectures, practical problem-solving sessions, and insightful tips have helped countless students excel in their studies and successfully navigate the complex admission process. In another significant milestone, Professor Kokane's channel has recently crossed 10,000 subscribers, a witness to its growing influence and the trust placed in it by students and educators alike. This achievement highlights the channel's role in shaping the academic journeys of countless students across world. To reflect a broader vision and a more holistic approach to learning, Professor Kokane has decided to rebrand his channel. Henceforth, it will be known as Chemistry Mantra with SK. This new name signifies his commitment to instilling chemistry as a guiding principle, or mantra, in the academic and professional lives of his students. In line with this new identity, Professor Kokane is excited to announce the launch of a new video lecture series specifically designed for the 11th and 12th class chemistry syllabus. This series aims to provide in-depth understanding and preparation for students at the foundational level, ensuring they are well equipped for further studies. The rebranding and the new lecture series promise to bring even more valuable content to the channel's growing community. Students can continue to expect high quality, accessible, and practical educational resources that have become synonymous with Professor Kokane's teaching style. So now stay tuned to Chemistry Mantra with SK for the latest updates, lectures, and guidance on chemistry and the engineering admission process in Maharashtra. Stay curious, stay motivated, and as always, keep learning. Jai Hind!